So hello guys, I am here Siddiq and today we are going to build something with Legos. As you know, one time I uploaded a short on my YouTube channel, right? And I said that if you subscribe, we're going to have 20 subscribers. I forgot what I said, but you can check out. I will give him my all Legos. Before it was just a box and now I have 2 boxes. Which in this box all of that Lego. But I have a new box. So let's go. I have also 4 base plates. 1 original Lego base plate and 3 fake Lego base plates. Yeah. Now difference is 10 by 16 I think so. 10. Yeah, 10 by 16. This is 12 by 20, and again here is 12 by 20. 12 by 20, 12 by 20, and 10 by 60. So these are all 3 base plates I have, and this is a 32 by 32 base plate. You can see how different. Fake Lego. They have a high to normal tiles, but have no tubes inside of them. There is no connectivity. The only way where you connect these pieces is from right here. Is from right down here. That is also not very sufficient because the brick didn't have full support and it would fall. So today I'm going to do something very powerful. Today I'm going to build a massive space station. It's not that the future of a moon base, and this is the at construction. First, the plan. So first, I will need all of my 6 by 8 plate. I have 2 of these, 2 6 by 8 plate, 1 4 by 14 plate, 1 by 12, then 1 by 4 plate, and I also have 1 by 4 by 6 plate. 4 by 4, when a 4 by 6, when I'm lying I have 4. And then you need some minifigures. I have only 2 in the present, this criminal one and this. I also had a third one, a policeman, but he died. That's why this is he rebirths and kill man through one hand. Otherwise, in this universe, his hands is missing. So first let's add the bricks. And guys, by the way, there is no interruption happening because only in gaming videos you will see calls. And by the way, when a call happens, this, I get really frustrated because it takes away all my work in one wash, and then I have to reopen again to redo it again. And this piece, he has a L. Here's a letter L. Who wants to say L? Say L. And then we're going to disturb this L. I think okay. Guys, there's some problem. Yeah. So now guys, for some reason the camera is getting fault, so please sorry. Please create a basic stand using an illegal building technique from a piece that I didn't want to using this build. Okay. Now I made a stand out of bricks. So you can just see the flooring at right here. I put my camera right here. Here, brightness. Now let's add smoothness. But there's no roof. They have to still use oxygen can. The national woman have, but this man doesn't have any oxygen can. So we have built a nice little base. So then I have 3 of these. Make total 6. I take all of my pieces. And guys, you need to know what are in this. There is a controller. So means you only need 2 controllers and I think 1 more. Yeah. I found all the pieces with controllers. So this is going to be controller area. Yeah. So now, like this, then I listen to my camera is center. So here's some text. So first, have some food text. First, I'm going to add some comedy words. Add some comedy, not burgers. I think I've shown in comedy number 3. Some proper and 2 proper. 1 is going to be the walls here. 1. The desks here. 1. So the height of this I have 3 tiles. 3 tiles. I think I have a third one also. This is getting very, very serious. Hush. Table number 3. Yeah. This tables could get folded. I think I attached a table. The tables could get folded to create a space. But these tables aren't going to fold anymore because, as you know, the great flooring is going to come on them. Yeah, this was the great flooring. It will come on top of them. That's going to be the. So now we have to create a 6x6 wall, and I think I have a white 6x6 or yellow one. right? After 1 hour searching, seriously 1 hour is done been, and I think I'm losing my hope for the wire. I found the white one. So the white one goes like here. Ah, bro, my stand I could hit it out of there was very good. Now I think I use my own for the white one. I guess. If I use all my table, then okay, I think I have used all my tables. Why these tables could get full? This table can get full. These are going to not going to get full never again in the entire lifetime. So now the mega big brother 1/10 tile. So you have to take one. This you need these nuts. You need these nuts. My guys, I'm going to try to buy some these nuts. And feasters, and then I'm going to give you the taste you how vegetable taste. I think maybe like here only. I have 2 more in there. I see. Let it be. So how much area I could travel? So I need breaker, right? So let's go and take some breakers. Okay, so now this gap is not going to be wasted. To cover up the gaps, if the tables are using, if they are using the table or not. And now here, let's just close up. Push back. The construction gets worse. Yeah. Now you have to add one more layer ahead, and then done. I don't know correct. Happy. It's when something is come, the space station, and by after 14 minutes of building, we get. And now you need something that you can trust on. Life coins. So here is the life coins we want to attach. And now here we need the block space 1, 2, 3. We need our. Now let's do 1/6 of these. Can please be attached because attaching accurate fit will not okay. Then I could look for some 1/3 because I want the yellow pieces. Please join. The Lego pieces join. The 1/3 joins. I don't know. Yeah. Because and now you need again 5 pieces. one tray right here, and these two gaps the oxygen makers. The tables can be the kitchen, and this is this. Then like this. Now let's go to finish this area. Okay. So now let's add and take a dish. And the dish to make a nice comfy outside on the. I don't know on which planet the selfie is made out of blue. I think in future I want to find such type of planet that surface that the ground is made out of blue. The ground is of blue. And we have blue color still today also. That is water. And then you need a dustbin also. Dustbin is quite important. There's a dustbin piece. That is way bigger. Nobody will do copyright. Copyright. And then I don't know, getting to RBI, SBI, and ALBI. And then you get some happy guys. Oh, bro. Where you happy? I think it's hiding somewhere. Finally get the pillow. I will use a rupee note, a note of $100 Lego dollars. Then I'll add it right here. Right here. As a Minfi could sleep. It will sleep. A Minfi inside will sleep perfectly. And now you need a back wall like me. So let me just take some metals and this made a back wall. Okay, now the back wall is good. I don't know how to cover this piece, but still good. Maybe I should add a little bit more decorations. This is this. You could use a little bit happies. Happies are good, by the way. Guys, happies are good. Always be happy. Otherwise, if you are not happy, then you will go to jail. Yeah, I know why Lego pieces. And now here, our the bedroom is completed. And here we are going to put some essentials like safety check, like a safety checker house where a small fridge where I could keep it. Okay, right here. And the bed, because I think now bed area is completed, but I think I'm missing something. They're missing food. Guys, they're missing food. So that's why I'm going to add some food. So guys, the closest to the crab leg, I have this, a minifigure leg. Closest to crab leg, I could get. So adding a crab leg, then adding some pizza. Adding pizza. I don't know which angle this pizza for you. In which angle pizza? But guys, I don't have lots of parts. So pizza. which you can eat pizza here. You will eat pizza here. And then the pizza is so small that it would go out. And now you need to make a kitchen area where this could eat. So I want to make a large giant wall that could made from sideways building technique. Yeah, this is the piece that I was wanting. I could make like this. Illegal building technique that nobody wants. Okay, I have too much. Let's take some ideas. So guess the planets had enough oxygen that we humans can survive. So that's why the gaps. I got hurt. The bed has edges. So now some walls. I'm going to put in this. I think they have to bend. Go down for sleeping. Could get open and then we could go to sleep. Yeah. Hey, the pizza fall. Let's put here. Let's add a phone. If you could use a tile piece, a 1x2 tile piece as a phone, add like this. Then the closest 1x2 piece I have. And now you need some machines. So now I have here the tire plug machine. Tire plug machine need a tire to run their plug. Tire plug machines are deployed. Tire plug machines. These machines go like badoom, 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 badoom. Let's add some gears. Yes, gear system, bro. Yeah. But you don't. So now let's keep hyping it. And guys, my daddy is on news that is very, very stupid. Yeah, let me just. News is very stupid, guys. Guys, read newspaper instead of watching news. Read newspapers. That you improve your reading, speaking, and also improve your health. And your eyes could also get safe. And television, yeah, news is sometimes really boring. And now we have to walk and go. Because on top is going to be a hovering area where a flying spaceship can go forward over them. Just kidding. No, flying spaceships are not allowed in my country. Flying spaceships are not allowed in my country. And flying spaceships are not allowed in my country. And flying split ships are not allowed in my country. Then who the heck? What is flying nice house. That we could remove it, but first we create a door here. I did need to level one more thicker. The roof is removable. Let's make it one more higher. 5. You can see the line. Can you see it? There. I'm Barack Obama. I'm in space on another planet. With my wife, I can die because of cancer, and I am living on space on this planet named ep2. I'm going to sleep, and then Barack Obama goes to sleep. You know, Barack Obama, he was that person who created this initiative to kill Osama bin Laden, who was a very dangerous clash. He was a very dangerous the leader of the most dangerous organization, Al Qaeda. And then how he looked. He looked like a ugly, buggy, third class as you poop? No. He had this poop on his face. Yeah. Do you know the cream he used? But kids and under 5, I just skip this. Okay, because I'm not that much adult. If I just go off your TV till this time, the video is premiere. Uploaded. And now you need some dinosaurs. You need some dinomans. The dinomans are needing someone for help. The guy can create a custom wall that is like a brick wall that you are adding bricks to the wall. It's so custom that this stupid man and this with all the God can this stupid man and no stupid man's Allah. And no stupid mans are allowed. Now in this area only gods are allowed, like this one. Like Vishnu, Brahma, Mahesh. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Hey. Mahesh is Allah or Jesus, or in Jewish I don't know. No, and here's ta-da! It looks like a wall of Fortnite. A wall in Fortnite is attaching on the tower. On Jesus Christ tower. I think maybe I should destroy. I think the bottom I should made it with only brown parts. Yeah, very poisonous in some cases, guys. That's right. Never drink green poison ever again in your life, okay? Never drink green poison. And everything. What is green poison? Green poison, toxic poison that Russian snakes give when they bite when the snakes bite. Guys, you know the most hard way to get ice? Go to Antarctica, mine some ice and come keep it cold. That's what the full way. And easiest way, take a refrigerator. You may having a freezer at the top or a bottom. If you're American, then your fridge have a bubble. If you're Indian or United, top. So now you need some type of freezer. And this it is made out of blue ice. That's why the land is made out of blue. Yeah. In first gas we can hey, who put a wrap on it? Wrap on it. The wrap on it. And as you crash, you're thinking that oh, it's safe. It's safe land. Like it is water. I could land. And as you go there for landing, a crash happens. Do you know why? What's the reason of your crash? Yeah, go to Barack Obama. Say that Barack Obama is stupid and he cannot do anything because he is a dumb and he is illiterate. Those guys, he become thinking that I will subscribe the channel, but I think maybe I should open and add some windows to this house. The house needs some windows, otherwise the house will look like a piece of toilet. You need some windows, guys. Here's a one big window right here. And now I think I have some trees. Sorry. Overexcitement is dangerous for health, guys. Overexcitement is dangerous for health and things. Why this looks like a good, but I can make it even good. Adding a real window to it. This window is of the height is of 3 and the size is of also 3 and it could also connect. We are not connecting it. But guys, it fits properly so it gets tight. And there is no window in a brass. I think I have some brass and to show you that the window where now I have one window piece here. I think so. I have window piece. Here's a tile. So, and 3 pieces. Now you can have a pizza party. Pizza. Now I have a pizza party. And then you check in your bank account. I have 0 money left. Yeah. If you are a Krishna, a crier, party. You reach a party, come with wish him party. It's party. Party is good, party is not good. Happy. Scary. Ghost alive. You need one ghost only. That is you. Soul never dies. Only the body is alive. And then, You need a door. Now the door, let's turn around. The house looks little bit completed. Let's add a door. Let's add a door. Let's add a door. Door. And nobody wants to attach. And this area I don't want to attach. So this cannot get stick. Take some flats. Bits and boxes. Bits and man could only buy some things that he wants. A man could never buy things that he don't want to buy. Like, a man never wants to buy a Bugatti Chiron. It's so expensive. You know what is the price of that stupid vehicle? Blowing 3 lakhs. If you want to fly at 3 lakhs, then that is a great toy. Broken. That is where it's broken because it's a heart attacks. 37 minutes of video has been done. That's why I'm giving you some hopes and hopes and hopes. I think this one is done. This one is okay, and now this can get connected. Your friend this side wall. This is going to be okay. Now let's go. In the inside, I want to add a nice little thing that I keep put. First, in the outside, I will add the dustbin. Dustbins are really ugly. Add the where is the fridge? Here's a fridge for you. Here is a fridge, guys. That is going to add right here. Right here. You know, I'm moving to. It will look straight right here. Now right here, barak. Let's hit some barracks because we are barracks from somewhere. When barracks, we want some barracks, we want some barracks. Barracks we want, barracks we want. Barrack. This is too big. Take the Happy Meal. I think I should keep it. Then I will add the door afterwards. Right here, in front of the window. There is oxygen in there. Because I'm living in an oxygen area zone. The table is right ahead, and then you can eat your drinks and drink your drinks. And that is the drinks. Let me add. Let me add a speaker. I think eating a lot of fried happiness. This is getting a little terrible. Because this is getting a little bit terrible. And we have our heater right here in the front. And then we can also have our door for the first time in the house. As it is the first time after the door. And let's add the dustbin outside. And if anyone wants to go out, this could get open. And this one is get open. And then everyone get up, wake up, you have to go run. Bye guys, this is out there is an ocean that is transparent and the black part is blue and is the limit where they could breathe. Let's make some vehicle for them. Where they could use here to survive. That they need for survive. Like in this vehicle. This vehicle that could I need some these. Hey guys, see these parts are very important. I don't know how I use those parts. And here, so no chickens would come. Okay. Come. Guys, I think the vehicle plan is cancelled, but let's think that the vehicle is hovering. In reality, no vehicle real. I think some vehicles are hover. That means the vehicle is hovering and it's go ahead by the power of hovering and it doesn't need single transport. It doesn't need. The power of hovering, or you could add a skillet power to it. Skillet like this, and then why I removed this? Because I removed this for some type of decoration. Add like these and add like this, and same right here. same right here. So now you can see what I'm creating. And now I need some piece. So guys, now here I'm going to add some slip here, a nice little garden. So the garden is created and final brick and the garden plot is completed. Means guys, now I've created the garden land here. You can see here's garden land and means the plant brown roses and yellow marigold. So means here orange and yellow marigold are the only types of flower that this plant grows. And by the way, I am short. I am blank. So now let's add something to the kitchen that they're cooking is chicken. They're cooking kebab. I think I should do it a bit. Cooking some crab legs, guys. And attach this. And here is a vehicle. Now it's going on legs. Means the vehicle is that it's going on straight. And it cannot be. And it could go straight. And you guys say, go straight. This guys, here's a plate and here's a clay. And my idea is like this. This part goes here. This part, guys, now we have finally created the body of ours. And now the body was played, but it is not tight. So I don't know. I am going to add a backer. I think the backer is very weak. It's like this. pieces. Yeah, structure has been completed. The structure of this ladder has been completed because of the baby revolutions. Now let's go to upgrade the vehicle. My stand that I made out of Lego very soon. Now here's the top glass that we could add on top. As you know, we are the pros. And the pros. Yeah, the pros. His vehicle. Let's add it right here in the front. There's no support in here or here. Little bit support right here. So means now let's keep aside this to make structure and the vehicle. The main house structure is completed and now this structure is very needed. Now this will come here. The support is and then like this going on now. But I have a seat here. A Lego seat. Where Lego seat? Where are you? Where are you? There is one thing that happens with me every time. And when I go to find a piece, it got disappeared and disappeared. This is a Minecraft official piece. This is Lego official piece. And now I'm going to add some controllers. They are in custom. Let's go. Here are some controls. In the front. There is the engine in the front. That is the engine in the front. So that the man who is sitting in the front could get a chance to go back. It could go back. And now here is turn and behind people could sit. So here this woman is controlling the vehicle. The vehicle is at the height and going. Vehicle vibration. Vehicle vibe. And it takes a few of transform that when I have to go, this man will go, she could stay. But this man is wearing astronaut shoes. He could go anywhere he wants. So first you will see right here. And whenever some archaeological survey, then a spade and a shovel. I don't have actual pieces, so these pieces can be welded. And now there we go. Let's go. And our house or home sweet home is ready. vehicle is right here. Now this one. Taken out all the things that is discovered. And blue zone. That means the blue zone where everything is. This is a blue zone. This is a blue zone. And here. Okay. Now guys, we got the problem. So this is kind of strong now. Okay. The pieces were not sending us. And so in this zone they couldn't start. So now let's create an and now here we have set. Inside the house looks like this and looks like this. I don't know why we are losing stuff, and I am just too pretty. I break it, I break it, I broken it, I broken it, I break it, and I broken it. I broke it. I was not sure that gravity was there in solar space. I forgot that there was a gravity name thing also. There's a gravity name thing also. There's a gravity name thing also. And that's how I forgot the gravity name thing. But guys, gravity is always there. As long as you're in Earth, there is gravity. And as you enter in space, there's no gravity. You can fly anywhere you want. Take tools, and now you could create the set. The set, if Lego had created a set, then in my personal build, I guess that it will be like it, the Lego company. And Lego, please make your market in India so that we could always get information on you, and I could also buy possibly. And it's a 1 hour video, so let's go guys. See you. Bye bye. Bye. And here's the house, and here's the space house. Also, if you like it, subscribe. We are so close to 30 subscribers. Only one subscriber remaining. And then my 30 membership will be full, and then the 50 membership will start. So guys, please subscribe. We are only very close. So let's go guys. Bye bye. Bye.